Hey guys, welcome to Long Health. Today I'll be showing you how to download videos from Google Drive. And dive right into the video now. To download videos from your Google Drive, just open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type drive.google.com, like enter. And after that you'll be carried to this page. You'll be required to first log into your Google account in order to be able to access your Google Drive account, and after that go to the folder on which you have saved your videos. And before we proceed guys, do make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. And with that being said, now to download a video from your Drive, simply right click on the video on which you want to download, and after that you can see the download option available at the bottom of the list or just above the remove, and you can apply it on any videos on Google Drive. You can see when you right click on the video, the download button is available to us. And guys, this is how you download a video from your Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment box. And peace.